Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the Excel file where Google can reach it, upload to Drive, or ensure OneDrive is synced. Once done, sign into the Google account that will own the sheet. Make sure permissions allow editing. Next, enable Office editing for Docs in Chrome or use Drive's Open with Google Sheets option so formatting carries over. This matters because Google needs read access to convert the file and preserve formulas. Now you're ready to open the file in Sheets and begin linking. Open the Excel file directly in Google Sheets by right-clicking in Drive and choosing Open with Google Sheets. This converts the workbook so you can edit online. Once open, check each formula. Excel-only functions may need replacement with Sheets equivalents, so scan for errors and adjust ranges. If you want a live link back to a different Google Sheet, use import range with the source sheet URL and range. Grant permissions when prompted. This keeps data synchronized and avoids manual copy-paste, which prevents drift. To finish, save the converted file in Drive and set sharing so collaborators have the correct access. Test synchronization by making a small change in Excel and then refreshing the sheet. If you use Drive Upload, reopen or re-upload to push changes. If using OneDrive Sync, confirm the Sync client updated Drive. If things go wrong, first check file permissions, then inspect incompatible functions and named ranges that might break during conversion. Fixing those usually restores expected behavior and keeps Sheets live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.